Hi friends, this is Parul and welcome to my channel. Today we learn to make energy drink. For that, I have taken one pan on a low flame and adding half cup almonds on it. We have to roast it slightly. Don't roast it very much. Just roast it for 2 to 3 minutes and it is ready. Keep the almonds aside for cooling down the temperature. After that, I am going to roast half cup of cashew nut on a low flame only. Just make sure all the ingredients are washed and dried up a day before. Roast it for next 2 to 3 minutes, then keep it aside. After that, I am taking half cup of pistachios and roast it for 2 to 3 minutes only on a very low flame. Keep it aside also. Now I am taking half cup of walnuts. Roast it also. Just check it out. It should be fresh. Roast it for 2 to 3 minutes only, then keep it aside also. Keep all the ingredients separate to cool down, don't mix them. Now I am taking 1/4 cup of muskmelon seeds and roast it for 1 to 2 minutes only. Flame is low here. It is going to take only 1 to 2 minutes. Just roast it very slightly. Keep it also aside. After that, we have to roast 1/4 cup of poppy seeds. Just remember you have to wash it and dry it up one day before. It is also going to take 2 minutes and keep it also aside. Now I am going to put off the flame now. Put off the flame, but our pan is very hot at this point. And I am adding 2 spoons of fennel seeds, 10 cardamom seeds and 10 black pepper, 1 spoon nutmeg which is grated. Just roast it without flame for 2 minutes as our pan is hot. Then keep it aside to cool down. Now I am taking half small spoon saffron on a butter paper. Fold it and keep it on a very low flame. Roast it like this for 1 minute only. We don't have to put the saffron directly on the flame. Now I am taking small jar of a mixer grinder and going to add 1 cup sugar. It is sugar. Just add it on a small jar. I am also adding half spoon of turmeric powder. Also add roasted mix powder of a fennel seeds which we have already roasted before. and grind all the ingredients and make a fine powder. Just have a look. We have to grind the other ingredients also. Firstly, I am grinding poppy seeds, add saffron on the same jar, just add it. I am also going to add muskmelon seeds. This is muskmelon seeds which is already roasted. Also add 2 spoons of sugar powder on it, which we have already grinded. You have to remember that do not grind all mixture continuously on a mixer grinder. You have to stop and grind it again and again so that oil does not extract from it. Just make a powder like this only. I am also going to take big jar of a mixer grinder so that all the ready mixtures should add on that. Now grind almonds in the same way and make a fine powder. I am also adding 2 spoons of sugar powder in it. Then grind cashew nut and add 2 spoons of sugar powder in it also. I am also adding all the ingredients in the big jar. Don't grind all the ingredients together. We have to grind all the ingredients separately. Now I am grinding walnuts in the same way. Again adding 2 spoons sugar powder on it. Grind it properly and add on a big jar. Then pistachios should be grinded by adding sugar powder in the same way. Add it also in a big jar. I am also adding all the leftover sugar powder in a big jar. We have to grind the big jar ingredients for few seconds so that they can mix well. Now it is ready. Have a look. Our powder is ready now. See the color and texture of the powder. Now we are going to see how can we make the energy drink. For that, I am going to take 1 glass and add 1.5 spoon of ready powder in it. Now add warm milk and mix it well so that it can be lumps free. Just mix it well. After that, add rest milk. Mix it also. Just mix it properly. You can see all the ingredients, fine parts here in the milk. Just have a look. Fine particles are looking upside. I am also adding some rose petals to decorate. You can also add dry rose petals powder. It is very beneficial for children as well as adults. It includes all the dry fruits and there is no chemical in it. So it provides so much energy and power after consuming it. You can have this drink at night before going to bed. Hope you liked the video. Please share it with your friends and close ones and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.